Om Shanti. Good morning. Essence of Avyakt Murli, 25th July 2021. Revised date 20th February 1988. The way to finish tiredness of the mind and the body is to have powerful remembrance. Today, the Father, the resident of the faraway land, has come to meet his children who are residents of the eternal land, residents of the original land, as well as those who are living abroad for the sake of service. Bap Dada knows that you are my long lost and now found, specially beloved children, and that you are residents of the eternal land, the supreme abode. At the beginning of the world, when there was your original land, the land of Bharat, when it was your golden aged sovereignty, your own kingdom, which everyone calls Bharat, you were also the residents of that same Bharat. You ruled in this land of Bharat with Father Brahma. For many births, you lived lives filled with happiness and peace in your own kingdom. This is why, because you were residents of the original land, you have love in your hearts for the land of Bharat. No matter how poor and dusty Bharat has become now at the end of the cycle, your land is after all your own land. So, what is the land that belongs to all of you souls, and what is the land that you belonged to when you were in deity bodies? It was Bharat, was it not? Do you remember how many births you have lived in this land of Bharat? All of you had attained your inheritance for 21 births from the Father, and you therefore definitely have this guarantee for 21 births. Later, too, all of you souls took many other births in the land of Bharat, because the souls who are close to Father Brahma, souls who are to become equal to him, will play their parts of being the ones who are worthy of worship and worshippers with Father Brahma. It is you Brahmin souls who become the first devotees of the Copper Age. At the beginning of heaven, you were residents of this land, and you have been residents of the land of Bharat many times. This is why you have deep love for Madhuban, the alaukic world of Brahmins. This Madhuban is the small world of Brahmins. So, you like this world very much, do you not? You don't feel like going back from here, do you? If an order were to be given for you to become a resident of Madhuban right now, you would be happy, would you not? Or would you think, who will do service? That you should go back for service? If Bap Dada were to tell you to sit down here, would you still remember your service then? Who is the one who inspires you to do service? To follow the Father's directions and Srimad in the way that they are given is to be a truly obedient child. Bap Dada knows whether to make you sit in Madhuban or to send you on service. Brahmin children have to remain ever ready in every situation. Remain ever ready for the direction you receive right now. Do not let the dictates of your own mind, even the slightest thought, be mixed in this. This is known as being an elevated soul who follows Srimad. Today's blessing is, may you have a right to a Sun Dynasty status by remaining aware of your elevated fortune and by staying in your powerful form. Again, may you have a right to a Sun Dynasty status by remaining aware of your elevated fortune and by staying in your powerful form. Those who constantly keep their elevated fortune in their awareness have a powerful form. They constantly have their eternal and real form in their awareness. They never adopt an artificial face. Many times, Maya makes your form of virtues and duties take on an artificial form. She makes someone angry, someone greedy, someone unhappy, and someone peaceless. But your real form is beyond all of those things. The children who remain stable in their real form claim a right to a Sun Dynasty status. Slogan: become one who has mercy for everyone, and the ego of I and any doubts will finish. Again, become one who has mercy for everyone, and the ego of I and any doubts will finish. Om Shanti.